Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing what I do for my skincare. So this is my skin right now at the moment. I'm just like hopping right into the video. Skin at the moment. I don't know if y'all can see. But yeah, so we will be doing what's on, what do I use, the night routine, morning routine. I'm not gonna do that, but I'm just gonna show you the products that I use, that I put on my skin almost every day, like once every other day I use these products. And yeah, I'll be showing you guys because I've been getting a lot of messages, a lot of requests on how I keep my face, like what's the word, tamed, how I keep my face. I kind of don't want to say clear because like it's clear, but like it's like normal to break out because sometimes I break out, but like it gets better, you know, with the product. So, or like I'm gonna just be showing you guys what to do and how you can keep your skin glowing, clear. So let's just hop right into the video. I think I'm gonna go shower, but I'm gonna show you like how I put on the products before I shower. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but you guys are gonna come along with me, so let's just go. Okay, wow, my camera is about to die, so yeah, once I'm showering, I will charge it. But yeah, so the first, let me set this down. The first product that I use, like the second most I use it's called Dark Angels from Lush. There it is right there. Let me go through the camera. But it's Dark Angels from Lush, and this is what I use. You use it in the shower, like you apply it to your skin while you're in the shower and you just rub it. And let me tell you, this has charcoal in it. It says our velvety black sugar, charcoal and rasol, I really don't know how to say that. Mud cleanser, exfoliates, absorbs excess oil, and brightens complexions to block pores, like it blocks pores. And how you use it is in the palm of your hand, mix a pea-sized amount with a little water, massage into your skin, then rinse off with warm water. So it's called Dark Angels. Dark Angels from Lush. This is the third product. I like really never use it, but like I used it in a video before, and like when I was using it, I noticed that my skin was turning red. I don't know if it's just my skin doesn't like this, but it's called Mask of Magnaminty. And like, I really don't know if my skin just doesn't like this, because like I've used it before and I kind of started to break out, but I don't know if my skin was just breaking out in general. But I don't know. Personally, I don't like to use this, so I might just give it away to one of my family members. Aloe Vera. Aloe Vera. This works wonders. Here, let me tell you how it is. It's simple. If you've never like put aloe vera, this is called aloe vera, on your skin. So what I do is I just like cut half of it, and then the thing that you want is that you want the juice inside of the plant. So I do that, and then I like take my glasses off, and then see like the juice right here. See like the juice. So like you just put this on your face and you rub the aloe vera plant all over your face. This is what I do like every other day because I like to give my skin a break. Or sometimes I don't even do it every other day. It just depends on how my skin is doing. So I just like put it everywhere, to be honest. And then like once like you don't feel like there's juice, you just like you rub off, and there's like, when I tell you I put this everywhere, I put this everywhere on my face. It's like, this is all natural. This is like a plant, so it like, that's why I love using aloe vera, because it's like natural, you know, like there's no like weird stuff in it. Lush is all natural too. It's all handmade products, so that's a plus for the Lush. But then, see, what I usually do is I usually just wait 5 to 10 minutes and then I take a shower. Like, just let it dry off onto your skin. But yeah, so I'm gonna talk to you guys after. Okay, let me go in order. Aloe Vera, the plant. This is my #1 choice to go to. This is my go-to. This is what helped. This is what saved my skin, honestly. And I have a plant growing, so that's how I get this. Or I think you can go into like, you know, those healthy stores like Whole Foods or Sprouts. I don't know if you have them in your cities, but just get aloe vera. Like, order it online. I don't know where you can get it, but second one, Dark Angels works wonders. Use this in the shower. I hardly use this because I like to give my skin a break. Because, like, I mean, it has charcoal. Mask of Magnaminty is my third. I've heard a lot of good reviews, so if you want to go purchase this, go purchase it. Mask of Magnaminty. These are all from Lush. Where's Lush at? Lush right here. Okay. I'm gonna apply the aloe vera today because I only like to use one. I don't like mix up. I usually do like one aloe vera a day, like one Dark Angels. I really don't use a mask of Magnaminty, so I wouldn't know. Okay, y'all, so I'm out of the shower. Hold up. I'm out of the shower. So we're gonna do the final reveal. And this is how my skin look after the shower. So see, it feels like soft. And this is only with the aloe vera. See. So that's my skin routine. And if you guys are wondering, when do I use like these face masks? I use these like at nighttime, so not the morning. I just like wash my face with water in the morning, so that's how like I like wash off, like, cause like we sweat during our sleep, some of us. So I wash off like the sweat and all this stuff. One important thing that I missed is in the shower, I like wash my body with body wash, right? But for my face, I use the Dove Go Fresh Cool Moisture Beauty Bar, but it's like the one with like the cucumber in front, like it's the green bar. It's a green bar. So it looks like this. Here, let me just see if you guys can see. It looks like that, about this, like at Walmart, I think. But I wash my body with the body wash, and then with my face, I use this. So I don't use the body wash to my face. I use this. So what I did right now is I put the aloe vera, waited 10 minutes, and then I went in the shower, and then used body wash, and then I washed my face with the green bar. But first, when I get in the shower, I wash off the aloe vera because it's already been like 10 minutes. So you don't need to like wait more. That's it for my skincare routine. For all of you who have been asking, I hope you got what you wanted. I'll see you guys next time in the next video. I will be filming more videos right now because I need to catch up. Y'all, I knew, hold on, let me see. Okay, I knew that I was missing something because in the shower I was like, oh my gosh, I forgot to say this. This is so important. Do not put aloe vera and go outside. The plant, do not put that and go outside because it will leave like black marks on your skin. Like I don't know, permanently, there's probably a way, but you don't want black like dots on your skin. It will leave black dots. So make sure you go shower or rinse your face really, really good because you don't want to like leave any spots on your face. And also, I was gonna say, another important thing is when you shower, like, use the warm but like not hot, because first of all, if you use like hot showers, first of all, it's not good for your hair. You could get dandruff because it could dry out your hair. But second, do not use warm water in the beginning of the shower because warm water actually opens up your pores, and like it's okay to use warm water in the beginning. But once you're like gonna be done using the shower, like once you're gonna get out, rinse yourself, like rinse your face with cold water because that closes up your pores, because you don't want to go out of the shower and go during your day with like your pores open. Like someone told me about that, and like I've just been following it since, and my skin has been doing better because I've been rinsing my face with cold water before I get out of the shower. So that's another big deal. So use those two. And I think, again, some skincare routines aren't for everyone, so I mean, if it helped you, I'm glad. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time.